This video will show you how to filter data directly on a chart. If there is a selection container in the dashboard, you can filter a chart simply by right-clicking on the data in the chart and selecting the filter option. This will provide an ad hoc range slider or other selection component that allows you to filter the aggregated data on the chart. When you click away from the chart, the selection that you have made is displayed in the selection container. To clear the selection, press the Clear All Selections button in the title bar of the selection container. In this example, you can also filter the states, again by right-clicking on a state name, selecting the filter option, and then making choices from the ad hoc selection list. Again, click away to add the selection to the selection container. Another way to filter data directly on a chart is by using the Chart Mini toolbar. To see the full Chart Mini toolbar, select some data groups on the chart, and then look above the chart for the small icons that allow you to perform operations on the data. There are 3 operations here that help you to filter data directly on a chart. The first of these is called brushing. Brushing allows you to highlight specific data groups on the chart that you select and to break out that data in any other charts that exist in the dashboard. For example, if we want to filter the bottom chart to see only the sales for the state of New Jersey, we can select the state of New Jersey in the top chart and then press the brush button in the mini toolbar. This highlights the particular data group in the top chart and breaks out that group's data in the bottom chart, as well as in any other charts based on the same data set that may exist in the dashboard. To perform a simple brushing operation like this, you can also just double-click on the group on the chart to brush it. You can select multiple groups on a chart by dragging across the groups to select them, or by shift-clicking or control-clicking to select either contiguous or discontiguous groups. Then press the brush button again to brush the groups on any other charts in the dashboard. To clear the brushing from a chart, press the Clear Brushing button. The same operation can be done on the bottom chart. Again, you can select a range of data on the bottom chart, press the brush button in the bottom chart to filter out and highlight that data in the top chart. Again, press the Clear Brushing button to remove the brushing. The second of the 3 operations that allows you to filter data directly on a chart is the Zoom button. To use the Zoom button, select the groups on the chart that you want to filter, and then press Zoom. This will limit the chart to display only the groups that you've selected. To remove the filter, press the Clear Zoom button again in the mini toolbar. As before, you can make selections by clicking on a group, by dragging across groups, or by shift-clicking or control-clicking to select either contiguous or discontiguous groups on the chart. The last of the 3 filtering operations that you can perform directly on a chart is the exclude operation. This is the inverse of the zoom operation. In the exclude operation, you select groups on the chart that you wish to exclude from the chart. Again, you can select these groups by dragging across them, by control-clicking, or by shift-clicking. And when you've made your selection, press the Exclude Data button in the mini toolbar. This removes the selected groups from the chart. To remove the filter, press the Clear Zoom button in the mini toolbar.